Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the another video of your own university, that is Students University. Today we will talk about the rational numbers, as we have discussed about the introduction before. In previous video we have discussed about the introduction of the rational number. So we will discuss some of the important questions of 2020 of the rational number. The first question of the rational number is this. Question number 1: 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4 plus minus 7 by 6. So you have to solve. You have to solve this. You have to solve this. So how we will solve the question? Let's see. So we are seeing that here 4 rational numbers are there: 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 1 by 4 and minus 7 by 6. So we are seeing that the denominator of two rational number is same, 4 and 4 and 6 and 6. So we will write it separately. Plus minus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 6. Simple. Minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 6. We have done it separately. So 4 and 4 are common. So 3 by 4 plus minus 1 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 5 by 6 plus plus 6 as denominator, 5 plus minus 7. So we have taken the LCM of the 4 and here the LCM is 6. So 3 plus minus 1 and here 5 plus minus 7 divided by 6. So 3 plus minus 1 is 3 minus 1 by 4 and here 5 plus minus 7 by 6. So 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4 plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2 by 6. So as we are seeing that 2 by 4 plus minus 2 by 6. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 6. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 LCM will be what? 4 and 6 LCM will be 12. 4 and 6 LCM will be 12. So 4 3s are 12. So 3 2s are 6 plus 6 2s are 12. So 2 2s are 4. Plus minus minus, so 6 minus 4 by 12, that is 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6. So your answer will be 1 by 6. So this was the first question. So it was a very easy question. So let's move to the next question. The second question is saying that the sum of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. The sum of two rational number is minus 2 by 2 rational number. The sum of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. If one of them is minus 8 by 5, find the other. So here it is given that sum of two rational number is what? Rational number is minus 2 by 3. And one here it is given the sum of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. And one of them is minus 8 by 5. Let's that this is minus 8 by 15. Okay, we have to find the other. The next number, what will be the next number? Before solving this question, let's see understand one more thing. If I say the sum of two number is 5 and one number is 3, then what will be the next question? What will be the other number? Means that we have to do 5 minus 3 will get 2. So next the other number will be what? The other number will be 2. So what we have done, we have subtracted 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. Okay, we will do the same thing in this question. Minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 15. Simple. We will take the LCM of these two numbers. So LCM will be 15 and 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 because minus was there, and minus minus plus 15 is 15 given. So minus 10 plus 8 will be minus 2. Minus 2 by 15 will be answer. Check also this that it is correct or not. So how will cross check the question? How will cross check? We will put the same number in this minus 8 by 15 plus minus 2 by 15. We should get minus 2 by 3. We will solve minus 8 by 15 plus minus 2 by 15. We should get what? Minus 2 by 3. We should get what? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So we will solve. We will see that LCM is 15 only, and minus 8 plus minus 2 minus minus plus minus 10 by 15. 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. So our answer is correct. Minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. So answer is correct. So how we have find out that we were given that sum of two rational number, the sum of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. If one of them is minus 8 by 5, find the other. So what we have done, that the first number we have taken two, the two rational number sum is minus 2 by 3. And one of them it is given that minus 8 by 15 is one of them, and we have to find out the second number. So one is what? Minus 8 by 15, minus 8 by 15. So we have just subtracted minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 15, that is equals to minus 2 by 15. We have checked the answer by this. I hope you have understood the question and answer also. Let's move to the third question. Third question is saying that which rational number must be added. Here it is given added to get minus 5 by 9. Means which rational number should be added to get minus 5 by 9 to minus 5 by 9 to get minus 2 by 3. So what is the answer? That to get minus 2 by 3. So the question is which rational number should be added to what? To minus 5 by 9 to what we have to get, that minus 2 by 3 is the answer. So we will do by the same process as we have done earlier, that two rational number is there and we have to add and we have to, what we will get? Minus 2 by 3. Simple. So two rational number is there. One of them is minus 5 by 9. What should be the other? Which question is saying which rational number should be added? Which rational number should be added to minus 5 by 9 to get minus 2 by 3? Simple. So minus 5 by 9, how will do? We will subtract minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9. So we will take the LCM of this. LCM will be 9 and 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. Minus 5. So minus plus minus 6 plus 5 equals to 9, that is equals to minus 1 by 9. Simple. Minus 1 by 9. So we have done minus 5 by 9. What should be added here to get minus 2 by 3? So minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9, that is equals to minus, we have taken the LCM of this, 9 and 3, the LCM will be what? 9 minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 minus that is plus, minus 6 plus 5, that is 9 equals to minus 1 by 9. Simple. I hope you have understood the question. Let's move to the fourth question of this series. The fourth question, what is saying, that which rational number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get 4 by 9. The question is that which rational number should be subtracted to minus 5 by 6 to get 4 by 9. The question is very simple, that which rational number should be subtracted? Which rational number should be subtracted? Which rational number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get 4 by 9? So that two rational number is there, subtraction is being done, and the answer is getting as 4 by 9. The question is which rational number should be subtracted from what? Minus 5 by 6 means 5 by 6 should be written here, and this number it is not given, that which number should be subtracted from this. So this is also very simple. That 4 by 9 how to write that? Minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 9. Okay, the 9 and 6 will be LCM will be what? 18. 18 will be the LCM. 6 3 is 18, 5 3 is 15. Minus 15 because minus 5 is there. Minus 9 2 is 18, 4 2 is 8. Minus plus 18 will be denominator, and 15 plus 8 is what? 3 and 2. So minus 23 by 18. The answer will be minus 23 by 18. Simple. Simple. Minus 6 was there. The question was asking that which rational number should be subtracted from what? Minus 5 by 6 to get what? 4 by 9. So what you have done, that 4 by 9 we have taken this side and this we have taken this side, because minus sign was there. So minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 9 equals to minus 15 by 15 minus 8 by 18, because LCM was given as 18. So 6 3 is 8, 6 3 is 18, 5 3 is 15, and 9 2 is 18, and 4 2 is 8. So minus 23 by 18 is the answer. Simple. You can cross check also by putting minus 23 by 18 here. Okay, as we have done in the second question. So let's move to the fifth question. The fifth question is what? That what should be subtracted from minus 2 to get minus 3 by 8? The question is as simple as the previous question. The question is what is question is saying that what should be subtracted from what? What should be subtracted from what? Minus 3 by subtracted from minus 2 to get 3 by 8. Very simple. What should be subtraction? Subtraction is being done to get what? 3 by 8. What should be subtracted from what? Minus 2. Minus 2 we have to subtract. Simple, as earlier we have done. 3 by 8 will become this side because it is positive. This side will become negative. And nothing is there. 1 is there. LCM will be what? LCM will be 8. And 2, 1, 8. 1, 8 is 16. Minus 16. Minus 8 is there. So 8. Minus minus plus 16 plus 3. 19. 19 by 8. And minus 19 by 8 is the answer. Very simple. This question was very simple, as we have discussed. Let's move to the simple and very easy next question. Question number 7, what is saying? Question number 7, what is saying? That question number 7, what is saying? That 0 divide minus 4 by 7. As we have as you know, in the 7th class we have done that when division sign is there now and in right hand side when fraction is there, what we will do? What we will do? We just reciprocal the fraction. Multiplication will become division will become multiplication, and this will be reciprocal. Okay, anything multiplied to the 0 is 0 only. Answer. Second question, what is saying? That minus 7 by 11 division will become multiplication, and this side reciprocal will be done. 3, 11 is 11, 11 4 is 44, 7 4 is 28, minus minus plus, so 28 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Third question, what he is saying? Third question is that division sign is not there. Minus 5 by 8 by means multiply we have to do and 4. So minus 5 by 32. Simple. So these were the very simple questions. So we will discuss the next question of this. So the next question, what it is saying, that the product of two number is minus 4 by 9. The product of two number is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, find the other. Question is very simple. Product means what? Product means multiplication. Product means what? Product means multiplication. The product of two number. So we will do like this only. The product of two number is minus 4 by 9. The product of two number is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, we have to find the other. We have to find the other. Simple. So what we will do? Multiplication sign is there. Multiplication sign is there. So minus 4 by 9. This is in division. It will go this side. So it will become numerator and this will become denominator. But minus sign will be there in the above only. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 9 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So minus minus plus and 3 2 is 6. 6 is the answer. Simple. The question was very simple. The question was asking what? The product of two number is minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, find the other. The two number is there. The product is what? Minus 4 by 9. If one of them is minus 2 by 27, we have to find the other. This next other number we have to find out. So minus 4 by 9, we have by 9. I have written this like this only, and this will become the reciprocal after going this side. So minus 27 by 2, and 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 9 1 is 9, 9 is 27. 6 is the answer because minus minus plus. Simple. So the second last question of this series is by what number this is also important question, that what by what number should minus 8 by 13 be multiplied to get 16. Very simple question as earlier, that by what number should the product is there, by what number should be multiplied to get what? 16. 16. Nothing is there in the denominator. So by what number minus 8 by 13 should be multiplied? We are not knowing the other number. We have to find the other number. So 16 into 13 by 8. We can write. So 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 13 2 is 26. So minus 26 will be the answer. Simple. The question was very simple. So the last question of this series and very important series of is that the cost of 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth is rupees 88 1 by 2 rupees. The cost of, see, first listen the question very carefully. The cost of 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth is rupees 88 1 by 2. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? Very simple. That if I say If we have not understood, let's make it simple. If I say that the cost of 5 meter, if I say that the cost of 10 meter of cloth is, let it be 50 rupees. If I say what is the cost of 1 meter of cloth, that what is the cost of 1 meter of cloth, what will do? 50 might divide 10, 0 cancel, that is 5 rupees, means the cost of 1 meter cloth is 5 rupees. How we have done? We have just divide rupees by the length of the cloth. So we will do the same in this question. Don't be afraid of seeing the fraction. The question is, cost of 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth is rupees 81. What we will write? The cost of 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth. 3 2 by 5 meter of cloth is what? 88. 1 by 2 rupees. 3 2 by 5 meter cloth is 88 1 by 2 rupees. Then we have to find out that what is the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Cost of 1 meter of cloth. So 5 3 15, 16 17. So 17 by 5 meter cloth is costing how much? 88 by 2, 8 to the 16. 16 1, 8 to 16, 17, 177 by 2. 177 by 2 rupees. Okay. So 17 by 5 meter of cloth is costing 177 by 2 rupees. Then what will the 1 meter cost? 1 meter cost will be what? 177 by 2 divide 17 by 5. So what we will write? That 177 by 2 into 5 by 17. As you have seen, by 2 into 5 by 2. Nothing is going. So we will just divide 17 into 2, that is 34, and 177 into 5, that is what? That multiply 177 into 5, that is what? 17 into 2, that is 34. The 177 into 5 will just multiply 177 into 5, 7 5 35, 3 7 5 35, plus 3 38, 3 5 5 6 7 8, 885 by 34. Simple. So these were the very simple questions and very important questions of the rational number. In the next video, we will talk about the rational number representing in the number line. So this was the very last question. This was a very important series of the rational number chapter. So in the next we will talk about the rational number representing in the number line. So if you like these questions, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.